On this week's episode, cooked spinach and potato salad. Wash and peel potatoes. Cut the potatoes into chunks. Place the potatoes into a saucepan. Add aromat seasoning or salt. On a medium to high heat, boil the potatoes for 12 to 15 minutes. Drain the water and allow to cool. Add thinly sliced spring onions. Cooked baby spinach. Fresh or dried parsley. Some ginger puree. Piri-piri seasoning is optional. Ground black pepper. And for the salad dressing, add Caesar dressing. Light mayonnaise. Yogurt and mint sauce. The zest of a lime. And the juice of half a lime. And that's it. This is a delicious potato salad that is zesty, creamy, and packed with flavor. I highly recommend. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Love you all, and God bless.